Okay, for Thanksgiving, we're gonna make some cornbread dressing. We start with cornbread, which I showed in another video, just made out of self-rising cornmeal, egg, vanilla, oil, and then you bake it for 400 degrees for about 35 minutes. And after that, you put it in a pan, mix it with celery, about a cup of celery and some onions, and mix it together with broth. And I put some chicken pieces, 3 eggs, and half a stick of butter. And then I mix it up like this, and it's gonna look like this. Finish it up with sage, and I usually do not measure the sage, but I put the sage very top. When it covers the top, then I mix it all up. And it has also some salt and pepper for taste. And we bake it again for about 40 minutes at 400, and voila, cornbread will be ready.